Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I got another classic shoe for you guys today. This is the Adidas Superstar, commonly known as the Shell Toes. This particular version is the Originals version in the white and black colorway. These retail for $80, but you can definitely find these cheaper than that. I got these at Dick's Sporting Goods for $59.99, so a pretty good chunk off retail. Anyways, let's get these open. So there it is, the infamous Shell Toe. Let's get them both out here. Quick background on these. The Superstars were originally released as a basketball shoe back in 1969. Within a few years, it was actually being worn by a majority of NBA players at the time. It was then made more famous in the 80s when Run DMC wore them. They actually signed an endorsement deal with Adidas, and it was the first time a hip-hop artist signed an endorsement deal with a large corporation. So tons of history with this shoe. Moving on to the materials of the shoe, of course it's got a full grain leather upper and a rubber outsole. Now for the features, the main feature of the shoe of course is the rubber shell toe. It sits very prominently at the front and, well, looks like a shell. It's got an X pattern and it goes really well with the rest of the shoe. And it also has a lot of stitching details around it. Moving on to the side, we got the iconic 3 stripes with perforations for breathability. And the gold star lettering. On the tongue we have more gold on the Adidas logo. The lining of the shoe is a nice mesh material that's also padded here. At the back we got the Adidas logo again on a black tab that looks really good. On the outsole on the side here, the rubber has a distinct pattern. I really don't even know how to describe it, but it's a really nice looking detail. It looks almost kind of like a camouflage, but it looks really good. At the bottom of the shoe we have a simple herringbone pattern, so really not much going on there. Lastly, the shoe does feature a removable insole. The insole is a lightweight ortholite foam that is also Adidas branded. Overall, the Adidas Superstar is an iconic shoe with a pretty awesome history behind it. It's a timeless shoe that you really can't go wrong with for under 100 bucks. Anyways, that's pretty much all you need to know about these shoes. Let's get these on feet. To be honest, I wasn't really feeling these shoes before buying them, but I knew it was a shoe I wanted to try out. After putting them on though, I was really digging them. This shoe in my opinion looks better on feet than it does in hand. They have a really round toe box shape, similar to a Stan Smith, but the shell toe with the black stripes really set it off. These do fit true to size and were pretty comfortable. I'm afraid though that over time they will become uncomfortable. Just because of the lack of midsole and because the insole is really thin, but only time will tell. I'm gonna make these my dailies to see if that's the case. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, as it really helps out. I make videos like this one, and right now I'm doing shoes that are good for the summer, so stay tuned for that. Like always, I'll see you guys in the next one.